Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are fine. So it's time to study now, and this is going to be your maths lesson. Today we will write counting from 0 to 30. So bring your notebooks and try to write with me. Start from the 0. How do we write 0? Starting from the upper line of the box, make a circle. After 0, we will write 1. Make a straight line. Now write 2. Start from this point, touch the line, make a curve and come down. Down, make a sleepy line. Now write 3. Start from this point and make 2 semicircles. Write 4. Starting from this point, make a straight line till the half of the box. Then make a sleeping line, pick your pencil and make a straight line. Now write 5. Starting from this point, make a sleepy line, come down and make a semicircle. Let's write 6. Starting from this point, come down and make a small circle. After 6, write 7. Make a sleepy line, come down in a slanting way. Let's write 8. Make S and touch the starting point. Now write 9. Make a curve, go up and come down. While writing the numbers, keep one thing in your mind, that you have to touch the upper and lower line of the box, and there should be a gap of 1 block between the numbers. After 9, we will write 10. 1, 0, 10. After 10, write 11. 1, 1, 11. When we write 1 and 2, it makes 12. 1 and 3 makes 13. After 13, write 14. 1 and 4, 14. 15. 1, 5, 15. 16. Now write 17. 1 and 7, 17. Now write 18. 1 and 8, 18. 19. 1 and 9 makes 19. Comes after 19, 20. Yes, 2 and 0, 20. What comes after 20? 21. After 21, write 22. Now write 23. What comes after 23? 24. 2 and 4 makes 24. Now write 25. 26. After 26, 27. What comes after 27? 28. And what comes after 28? 29. 29. And after 29, what comes? 30. Yes, 30. 3 and 0, 30. I hope you have done this work with me. Here is an assignment for you. You also have to write the counting from 0 to 30 in your notebooks. Will you please tell me which number are these?
0, 10, 20, 30.
Very nice. I think that you can do it now. Let me tell you one thing, that when you will write counting, there should be a gap of 1 block between 1, 2, 3 and onwards, and a gap of 2 block lines between 0, 10, 20 and 30. Like this. Now I hope that you will do your best. Stay safe. Fi Amanullah.